This is a setup that we use to study the function of vocal folds inside the larynx, but outside of the body. It's really useful to look at function. We take the larynx, it's mounted on a fake windpipe here, just like the windpipe in my body, except this one is plastic, but we deliver humidified and warm air up to the larynx, just like it comes through the windpipe in my body from my lungs. With this kind of system, we can study all manner of features of the way vocal folds vibrate and make sound. And it can be useful for understanding normal voice production, what happens in certain disease or pathological conditions, and what happens with certain kinds of treatments that we might try and implement here. The advantage here is that we designed an experiment in the paper that we're talking about. We were able to collect some data from a larynx with both vocal folds vibrating. Then we went ahead and resected the vocal fold from one side, eliminating the function. Collected all the data again, the sound output, how it vibrated on high-speed camera, how airflow was moving through the system. And then finally, we tried to restore function by placing our engineered tissue in the place of the vocal fold that had been resected. So we were able to do that with a pretty exquisite experimental control. We hoped for some decent vibration, some reasonable voice output, but actually the function, the vibration of the engineered tissue was exquisite and really pretty much comparable to the normal tissue. Some of the very special features of vocal folds that we often look for in the clinic as a sign of healthy tissue includes a traveling wave across the surface of the tissue. It's called mucosal wave. We saw a normal mucosal wave in the engineered tissue, just like the normal side, as well as normal sound output, normal symmetrical vibration with the other side.